Hey everybody, Joshua here on the YouTubes. Today we are visiting two beautiful waterfalls in the Black Mountains of the Blue Ridge Mountains for our waterfall series. Don't forget to hit the subscriber button below so you can see continued content of beautiful waterfalls in our area coming in the near future. Sit back and enjoy. Here at the base of Roaring Fork Falls, about 75 feet up to the top there, and only about a half a mile hike to get here. And beautiful. Here at Setrock Falls, another 75 feet up to the top of that guy, and about another half mile hike up to this one. That's 2 in one day that are awfully beautiful.